How to open a folder in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can open different folders. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this file icon. Simply tap on this file icon. Now here on the top, you'll be able to see the option called Open Folder. Simply tap on Open Folder. Now here, select the folder that you want to open. So here I'm tapping on one. Now here you can easily open it. So simply tap on the one and tap on the folder that you want to open. So this will directly import every details from this folder and you'll be able to see the code in the VS Code. So it will directly import it here in this working space and you'll be able to run and execute it accordingly too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.